The trend of city development leads towards the development of smart and cognitive societies that not only follow technological development, but competently use it to establish an environment that is friendly to the inhabitants and the economy and responsive to needs in particular. The mix of different policies and sizes also makes cities an excellent testing range for a combination of comprehensive services for energy management, the digitalization of infrastructure systems, and the efficient, sustainable use of energy and water. One of the key strategic development paths for the Petrol company is a comprehensive energy supply, focusing on efficient energy use and the responsible handling of sources. This is a concept leading to the circular economy, which the EU is also striving for. We are investing in the projects of energy efficiency and renewable energy sources as drivers of development, and we guarantee that energy savings are achieved. According to UN, the human population will have increased to 9.8 billion by 2050, of which 68% will live in urban societies. Without changing our habits, the energy requirements will increase by 80% and water requirements by 55%. The OECD projections predict a 90% increase of SO2 emissions and 50% of NOx. Today, only 2% of the world population lives in an acceptable concentration of PM10 particles. According to OECD, polluted air will be the main cause of premature mortality in the future. In Petrol, we see the solution in changing people's habits and process automation with the aim of reducing the energy and water demand and the environmental load. We are focusing on our energy, on the smart management of the public infrastructure systems. Our solutions are based on digitalization, reliable and checked information, and the efficient use of energy. If cities want to manage their resources more efficiently and improve their carbon footprint, they need reliable information about energy and water consumption and then transparent insight into the condition of their infrastructure. Petrol helps take advantage of all of the key information available to the cities. To do this, we rely on the already installed sensor systems and add new systems if necessary. Key information is available to all interested stakeholders through our technology platform. This means that information about energy consumption in public buildings and local infrastructure efficiency, such as the water supply network, district heating network, public lighting, etc., can be accessed by the city's government's public utility management as well as residents. Based on true information about the consumption and costs, the possibilities of greater savings also increase. Smart management of public infrastructure system is achieved in several ways. First example is by using smart remote energetic systems where costs are optimized to gain savings by reducing the environmental loads while also maintaining the comfort level for end consumers. Another example is by efficient water management, where we ensure a lower required water drawing from the environment due to reduced losses of water in the distribution phase. We are improving the operational efficiency of water supply systems and take care of their economical planning. We also clean the wastewater using technological solutions to a level where the water can be released in the environment. With the projects involving the energy renovation of buildings, where we take care of the optimal energy and water consumption in buildings, and with projects for the energy renovation of public lighting that contributes to lower light pollution in municipalities, which are consequently able to save more than 70% of their electric energy. Efficient lighting with smart lights also bring further potential with the functionalities of directing smart current and decay points. By developing new transportation options, we help with transition to cost-effective and sustainable mobility. In this field, we provide services related to building management and the maintenance of the charging infrastructure for electric vehicles and services related to the provision and accounting for the charging and customer support. In the field of mobility services, we are developing services related to the new concepts and forms of mobility, such as vehicle as a service. Following the successful acquisition of the ATED company, the list of services we provide in market also includes short-term vehicle rental in the form door-to-door service. The development of a fleet management service is underway. In 2020, we continue to work on all 3 international projects that have also received non-repayable EU grants. A special significance of Petrol's presence as a leading company in the field of electromobility and mobility services is building an image of sustainable-oriented company. For this purpose, a lot of efforts has been put into including as many domestic and international projects as possible. The international projects, in particular, are a major but important challenge for the company that primarily originates in the field of oil derivatives sales. As Quotient Center partners, we made sure with comprehensive energy solution that there is a vision of sustainable approaches and niche energy solutions combined in the building. Solar power plants, heat pump solution, LED lighting and charging station for electric vehicles. For example, we help plan and build e-charging station and fleet modernization. We are also developing solutions for greater energy self-supply in communities, such as the Luce project, where the community is able to cover all its electric energy needs by itself on the basis of RES production. Thanks to the Compile project part of Horizon 2020 EU program, the village is completely energy self-sufficient in certain time periods. By including renewable energy sources, greater system flexibility is needed, which can be ensured by connecting dispersed generating process and consumers. Adjusting the electricity consumption and generation increases system stability and reliability. The interconnected resources behave like a unit, while in the background the surplus energy is managed and stored, and the needs are appropriately addressed based on the forecasts and more. Our solution is upgraded and connected to the unique Tango OT-IoT platform. By using artificial intelligence, we can maintain the quality of our lives in a satisfactory level, reduce the environmental impact, and preserve the planet in acceptable condition. Tango allows vast quantities of data to be collected from different sources, their checking, processing, storing, and visualization with the purpose of turning the data into useful information. Using quality data and advanced algorithms for machine learning and artificial intelligence, Tango ensures control and optimal processes, lower costs, and environmental load. We can say in general that the future potential is particularly in the combination of energy services, especially from perspective of comprehensive energy and system management, from managing the water supply, system and water treatment plants, and industrial energy installation to district heating and electrical energy generation from renewable sources. Petrol has been successfully increasing the energy efficiency level for quite some time now, while significantly contributing to the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. In the future, the energy supply will no doubt be even less dirty, less wasteful, greener, and digitally connected through different platforms in a larger set of systems. These systems will need to communicate clearly between each other to be able to ensure the uninterrupted operation of the entire electricity system. We are well aware of this at Petrol, and we are not forgetting the importance of cooperating with the social environment where we operate and live. We are building strategic partnerships with all the relevant stakeholders, including them in the development of new business models in the provision of our sustainable services. We are returning the energy for life to the society and intensively moving towards a new green future.